Hello everyone, welcome back.
Today, we are going to practice English together in a fun way.
Why do some people sound so natural in English, while others sound like a textbook?
Yeah, like you know the words, but it still feels awkward, right?
Today we're fixing that. No pressure, no grammar stress, just real conversation.
Let's talk naturally. This is your cozy space to learn real everyday English.
Not robotic English, not exam English, but the kind you actually use with people.
And today, we'll show you how to sound more natural, just by changing how you speak.
We'll go through simple conversations, real reactions, and small tweaks that make a big difference. Let's start simple. Imagine someone asks you, "How are you?"
Most people say, "I am fine, thank you."
Correct, but not natural.
Instead, try this. "I'm good, doing great, pretty good actually."
See the difference? Shorter, warmer, more human.
English isn't about perfect sentences. It's about comfortable communication.
Now let's talk about reactions. This is where most learners sound robotic.
Example.
I just got a new job.
That is very good.
Sounds like a robot, right?
Instead, react like this. "No way, that's awesome. That's amazing, congrats. Wait, really? That's so cool."
Natural English is full of emotion.
Let's build a natural mini conversation. "What are you up to?"
Not much, just relaxing. You?
"Same here. Just finished some work." "Same here. Just finished some work."
Nice. Long day?
"Yeah, kinda tired, honestly."
I feel you. You should take a break. Notice how simple this is?
No complex grammar, just short, flowing responses.
And that's how real conversations work. To sound natural, soften your sentences. Instead of saying, "Give me your notes," say, "Hey, can I check your notes? Mind if I take a look?"
See? Same meaning, better feeling.
Tone matters more than grammar.
Let's give you some daily use natural phrases.
I didn't catch that. Give me a second. That makes sense. I'm not sure about that. Sounds good to me.
These are small, but powerful.
They make you sound fluent instantly. Remember, you don't need big vocabulary to sound natural.
You just need the right expressions and confidence.
So start small. Use these phrases today.
And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to.
Like, subscribe, and keep practicing. We'll be back with more real conversations.
Until then, let's talk naturally.